How to redeem Binance Gift Card. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you on how to redeem a Binance Gift Card. It's a simple process, so follow along. You can easily redeem any gift card from Binance and receive the amount instantly. To redeem your gift card on the Binance website, sign into your account first and scroll to find the gift card option at the bottom of the screen. Go all the way down and then after click on gift card, that is under the products, which is just below the tax. Click on gift card and this will redirect you to the redemption page. Enter the gift card details in the middle of the screen over here in this designated area. There is a daily redemption limit of 400 codes totaling $20,000 and a monthly limit of 2,000 codes totaling $30,000. With a 16-character sequence code to add it to your account, and you can also purchase gift cards on this page. To redeem the cards, select Redeem to Crypto, Add Card option, and enter the code. If you encounter any issues, contact the customer support of Binance and try redeeming the code first on your own. If it does not work, then seek the assistance. So this is all about how you can redeem your Binance gift card. If you found this guide to be helpful, please consider giving a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.